In this video, we're going to learn how to make a rainstick out of items you can find around your home. For this instrument, you will need a paper towel tube, some aluminum foil, some rice, beans, lentils, or anything similar, some tape, and things you would use to decorate like markers, crayons, stickers, etc. So let's get started. First, take your aluminum foil and crinkle it into a long shape. Then, twist the aluminum foil into a spiral shape and set it aside for a moment. Next, take your tape and stick it to one end of your tube. Try to get as good a seal as you can. Next, take your aluminum foil spiral and place it in the tube. After the spiral is in the tube, take a handful of your rice and pour it into the tube. Place your hand over the open end and turn the rainstick over a few times. How does that sound? Try adding more rice until it makes the sound you want it to. When you are ready, seal off the open end of your rainstick with tape. Great job! Now that your rainstick is working, you can decorate it however you want to. Try using different colors, colorful paper, paint, more tape, or whatever you want. And that's how to make a rainstick.